Hello, friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. If you are not sure what to do with the leftover salted egg whites at home, why not use them for scrambled eggs? Today we are going to make scrambled eggs with salted egg whites. This home-cooked dish does not require seasoning. It is really simple to make, and the salty and appetizing aroma is perfect with porridge and rice. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive the simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. Ingredients are 2 salted egg and 2 eggs. Scoop out salted egg white. Salted egg yolk can be used for fried rice, sauté vegetable and boil soup recipes. Mash salted egg white and set aside. Crack eggs and beat until frothy. Stir-fry salted egg white. Pour egg liquid. Flip once bottom is solidified. Just flip it over and fry for a while too. Maintain tender egg texture, which is delicious. Delicious salted egg white fried egg is done. Looks yummy. No seasoning is required as salted egg white has enough flavor. Salted eggs are a good source of protein and essential amino acids, which are important for building and repairing tissues in the body. They also contain some vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, selenium, and phosphorus. Eggs provide many vitamins, antioxidants, and protein, but they're also high in cholesterol. So the amount of eggs that are okay to have can depend on your health. The yolk in eggs can increase the level of LDL bad cholesterol in your blood. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.